If you're new here though, welcome to the channel. My name's Ethan. Today, we're gonna be working on my 2000 Mustang GT. Shine Armor was nice enough to hook us up with some anti-fog hero. This is gonna go on there and it's gonna keep all of our windows from fogging up. Installation is super easy. All you have to do, wipe this stuff on the inside of your windows, let it dry, wipe it off, and you are good to go, and your windows are protected from fogging over. And just like that, we are all done. That's all there is to it. Spray it on your windows, mirrors. I'm even spraying it on my bathroom mirror in there. Let it dry, wipe it off, and you're good to go. Now, not only are our windows protected from the fog and haze, they are also super clear. To really test it out and see if this stuff works, we're gonna leave the Mustang sitting outside overnight. I usually don't because the windows fog up, but it was warm today. We're gonna go for a little drive, get everything warmed up in there. It's gonna get cold tonight. Usually that'd be the perfect combination to get some fogged up windows, but I'm willing to bet we won't have that problem anymore. Well, lo and behold, this morning, the windows were in fact not fogged up. There was dew all over the car. The windows to my truck were fogged up, but the Mustang was perfectly fine. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. This one's gonna be short and sweet. I just wanted to show y'all the Shine Armor anti-fog hero and show you how you can keep your windows from fogging up. I know for me, it's really been a big problem for the Mustang, and I'm sure many of you out there are facing the same thing. Now, if you want to go get some Shine Armor anti-fog hero for yourself or any other Shine Armor product, they are hooking you up with 20% off. Use the code right down here to get that awesome discount. There's a link down in the description below to the website so you can check out all their products.